I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Chrome and adding the screen recorder extension. Do that now and pin it to your toolbar so it's always visible. Once installed, click the extension icon and allow microphone and camera access. This enables voiceover and webcam overlay. Make sure you choose Share System Audio if you need internal sound. You're starting the capture sequence now, not later, so confirm permissions and a default save location before moving on to recording settings. Now you'll pick what to record: a tab, a single window, or the full screen. Choose based on the content you'll present. Next, adjust frame rate and resolution for the output. Higher settings mean larger files, so balance quality versus file size. Select microphone or system audio as your input. You can choose both. Enable webcam overlay and pointer highlighting only if you'll narrate or demonstrate clicks. These features improve viewer focus and clarity during playback. Begin recording with the extension's Start button or use the hotkey. Speak clearly and watch the timer so you don't exceed planned length. When you finish, stop recording and use the built-in editor to trim dead space, add annotations, and export in MP4 or WebM formats depending on your workflow. If audio is missing, stop and confirm Chrome site permissions and system sound settings. Then restart the extension. This quick reset fixes most permission-related audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.